Can everyone see my screen okay? Awesome. Okay. Well, yeah, we are the fun ones. So we are introducing a redesigned energy drink called KAVA. And we're excited to tell you all the details. We think you're going to love it as well. But before we tell you the details about our product, we are going to introduce ourselves. So my name is Avery.
I'm Catherine. We are all college students too familiar with the struggles of night cramming, early morning jobs, and last-minute studying. We have used coffee, energy drinks, and any sort of caffeine to keep us up and functioning. We are employed by Mr. V's Job Palace, and we are excited to have our product considered for the first release from his amazing company.
Have you ever stayed up until a ridiculous hour cranking out an assignment because it's due at midnight? Have you ever found that it becomes harder to focus at night because all you'd like to do is sleep, and you actually end up more frustrated because you can't focus and you're sleeping? What about those early morning study sessions or meetings, or the ever-challenging midday drowsiness caused by that morning's coffee caffeine crash?
If you said yes to any of those previous situations, we have the product for you. We're introducing KAVA. So we wanted to create a product that had the same effect as energy drinks, yet optimized our focus and is healthier than most energy drinks out there. And we did this by combining all natural ingredients, including green and black tea leaves, natural fruit flavors, kava leaves, and guarana seeds.
We found from surveying around 130 classmates that only 39.5% of people knew what all the ingredients were inside of their energy drinks. 75% of our sample does not approve of the ingredients in the energy drinks. And 90% of them said they would prefer a healthy alternative. That means that more than 50% of those we surveyed do not know what's in their energy drink, and we are looking to change that narrative with KAVA energy drinks.
Here's our solution. KAVA uses all natural ingredients that help individuals to stay focused, alert, and refreshed without the jittery aftermath that often accompanies other energy drinks. The natural caffeine provided by KAVA is a result of high concentrations of black and green tea extract that we steep ourselves, and guarana seed extract, which contains both caffeine and theophylline and theobromine, which are chemicals similar to caffeine and act as natural stimulants. The natural fruit flavors vary from drink to drink depending on the flavor you choose, but some juices we utilize in our products are pineapple juice, watermelon juice, raspberry juice, mango juice, apple juice, and blueberry extract. Kava, the plant we named our drink after, is known for its stress-relieving effects. It also helps with restlessness, sleeping problems, and many other conditions. It is legal and FDA approved in the United States. These ingredients work together to create an experience of calmness yet alertness and provide a level of clarity unparalleled by our competitors.
So why should you invest? So KAVA keeps you feeling awake and focused because of the natural ingredients. So there's no need to worry about like a caffeine overload. There's no crashing as well. And this is due to the kava and guarana seeds. And they're simple ingredients, so there's no hidden toxins or hidden chemicals that could hurt your body. And it's a small investment. So Catherine is actually going to go over the projected market, and then we'll cover the price.
So on this graph, these numbers represent the year-to-year growth of energy drink consumption. As you can see, the market of natural energy drinks, such as KAVA, is increasing each year drastically. This means this is the perfect opportunity for you to invest in KAVA energy drinks.
So now we're going to talk a little bit about our price point. KAVA Energy costs about $2.50. Our price per can is about $2.50 for a 16 ounce. Compared to our competitors, we are below the average price in terms of shelf cost for consumers. The graphic on the right shows well the difference in prices of other brands as compared to ours.
We believe that it would be a great choice for you to invest in KAVA. At this point, we'll take any questions that you have.
I have a question.
Yes.
So how do you plan to differentiate yourself from other like organic energy drinks such as Alani Nu, Celsius, those types of energy drinks? Because it kind of sounds like you guys are going to be similar.
So actually, I'm a very big Alani Nu fan, and I also am a pretty big Celsius fan as well. One thing that I noticed and kind of we noticed in product development is that a lot of those products actually do contain, despite their natural energy drink nature, a lot of ingredients that are very hard to pronounce. KAVA's trying to kind of eliminate that narrative by really bringing our ingredients to the forefront. Everything you read on the back is going to be easy pronounced, well explained, and most of it's going to be stuff you're familiar with. Kava and guarana are the only two ingredients that a drinker may not be familiar with right away.
Kellen?
With you guys marketing yourselves as a healthy alternative for energy drinks, have you considered also marketing yourself in a similar way that Vizzies have in the seltzer market, where you include antioxidants, and I think it's vitamin E or C that they have? Have you considered including that as well?
Yeah, so I'm happy you brought that up, because during our product development, that's actually something we thought about adding into our drinks. Just as far as keeping it simple on the front end, there could be maybe extensions in the future that are like added antioxidants or added vitamin, different vitamins. So that is something we discussed. Maybe that would be a future release once we see how this first launch goes. Thank you, Tim. And Ryan?
I kind of asked this question with the blanket group, but your guys' products are made of organic and vegan stuff, which is usually more expensive to produce. So how are we able to keep the price point so low compared to other energy drinks?
Good question. I looked at the price of guarana and kava seeds, and for about a pound of it, a pound of powdered seed, it was about $31. So as long as we're keeping all of our ingredients like natural and not using a ton of them, if we're using like carbonated water, not very expensive, some fruit flavors, not very expensive. So the most expensive part of our energy drink would be those seeds, those natural ingredients. But with that being said, that's the only thing that's probably the higher price point, rather than trying to get all these flavor inducing like high jolt energy ingredients in there. It's just those two simple ones that would be a little bit higher in the price point, but otherwise the rest of our ingredients are pretty inexpensive. Good question.
All right, good job, ladies.